So, hello friends, I'm Mr. Kalamakianto. Today, I'm going to talk about power and Excel. I mean, power in maths, not in maths in Excel. Wait, is it here? So, the formula is equals to power. Oh, what is in power? I haven't put patterns yet. P2, P2. Oh, 1, 2. 1 powered by 2 is 1. 2 by 2 is 4. What about 5? Because we're not 25. So 2 is power. You put 3, it becomes 125, which is 5 times 5 times 5. Can we put more than 1 though? I think we can. Wait, let me just put there. Never mind. We cannot. We can only put 2 cells. To what? Oh, okay, that works. So yes, this is how. Okay, 3 and then 3 and then for example 6. And since we cannot do that we cannot enter more than 2 cells, we can use magic one. You can put whichever you like some of such. Yes, so keep forgetting. Then a 1, a 2, the works. And then this can, of course, you cannot be 1. Oh yeah, I forgot again. It has too many arguments, so let's just get rid of that. So too many arguments, I forgot to delete 1 comma. There you go. Circular references. It became 0, and I guess this arrow helps. That arrow may help to show which is circular. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.